Shannon and Roy from Bomb come to Ross's Point. There's a ton of geese right out front. I think now you can't shoot this close to the road. Mon cousin Shannon puis mon coworker de Bombardier, j'ai dit viens à Ross's Point faire la chasse pour les geese. Il y a des mille, there's thousands. Oh, the water went way out. It was right up to the stairs here. L'eau sortie, c'était jusqu'aux escaliers. Well, as far as you can see, there's geese. Au-dessus que tu vois, il y a des geese. We love it at night. We crack the window and you can hear them. It's peaceful. Le soir, on rouvre la fenêtre puis on les entend.